The audience for this video include hardware and software engineers developing ESP32 microcontroller-based projects. This ESP32 microcontroller project shows how to program a digital infrared receiver module to read codes sent by a remote control. This remote control is able to send codes representing uppercase and lowercase characters, special characters, as well as numeric characters. This is the sketch named Demo 4. This ESP32 microcontroller program uses an infrared receiver to read keys pressed on an infrared remote control. It uses the following three hardware components. It's the microcontroller itself, the infrared receiver module, and the dual-side keyboard remote control. This statement includes the remote control infrared LED receiver library. These statements define the keys on the front side of the remote control. These statements define the keys on the back side of the remote control. These statements comment out keys that are not found on the infrared remote. These statements initialize the Arduino IDE serial monitor. This statement initializes the infrared receiver. This statement initializes the array that contains remote control ASCII display characters. This is the main loop that runs about 10 times every second. If the remote control display character A through Z numeric, and other typewriter display characters like these shown here, it will display on the serial monitor. Otherwise, just for demonstration purposes, it'll let you know if you press the menu key on the remote or the OK button on the remote. This statement attempts to retrieve the infrared receiver data. If an infrared key code was received, and it's not this special character, it'll ignore the repeating character. Otherwise, it falls through here. It extracts the command key code from the decoded data, and it displays the hex code that it received. These statements associate infrared received remote control key codes with ASCII display characters. These are the key codes delivered by the Smart TV QWERTY dual-side keyboard remote control. And these statements below show my software development environment.